2, 1.
Hello. Hi everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Tingling Lip Serum. Lip Plumping Serum. And we're going to get right into it. Here's the container. Can you see it? Is it zooming in? Did it zoom in? Okay. Alright. It doesn't give a time on how long to keep it on, so I'm just going to do it. Here's the applicator tip. Okay. Now I'm going to apply. It's really watery. Oh. It's very watery, but it's oily. Applied. It doesn't say how long to keep it on, so I'm just going to... Ooh, it's starting already. It's tingling. A very soft tingle. My lips are starting. My tongue is tingling. Now we'll just let the time lapse. Ooh, it hurts. No results yet, but it hurts. Well, we're supposed to have a snowstorm this weekend. It's supposed to have 2.5 feet of snow. So everyone keep warm, and I'm sure the electricity is going to go out, so sorry about that. Hopefully you have a space heater and some water and some flashlight. Is there a way to pause?
1.
Hello, the results, well, 10 minutes have passed, and as you can see, it really hasn't done anything for my lips. It hasn't plumped it. My tongue stings, my lips sting, my mouth stings, but I'm not really getting any plumping effect out of this. So, I am getting I'm swelling, but not on my lips. I'm swelling outside of my lips. So, out of 5 stars, I'm going to have to give it 2. Because it does make my lips look smooth and oily and pinker, but it doesn't make it plumper. That is my review, and I was hoping it would work just like it worked for Graveyard Girl Bunny, but I guess not. I'm just like unplumpable or something. Anyways, I'm going to end this video, and thanks for watching. See y'all later. Bye.